As far as Istikharah is concerned also, there is some misunderstanding that we feel that after having made Istikharah, then it is definitely going to be a bed of roses. It does not mean that. Take for example, a girl is proposed to, she makes Istikharah, the Istikharah is positive. She feels satisfied with an inclination to accept, and she follows this inclination and accepts the proposal. But after some time the problems arise, or the marriage even breaks down. So such persons, they come back and they say, Maulana, but you all said must make Istikharah, and this is what happened. However, we have to understand that Istikharah does not mean that the person will have a problem-free life. It means that at that time this was better than perhaps marrying someone else. It was the lesser of the two evils that she could have faced, or more difficulty she could have faced if she was going to marry someone else that she was intending to. Because that is when Istikharah is normally made, when the person is in a doubt. It could also mean that at the time of Istikharah this was good, but then again this is no guarantee that the marriage will be successful, because after the nikah it is important and conditional that the husband and wife must both lead a life of piety, fulfillment of the rights of each other, following of the Quran and Sunnah, obedience to Allah Ta'ala and His Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Then that marriage is guaranteed a marriage of bliss and happiness. But if the person made Istikharah and saw that it is good, however both of them or one of them afterwards begins engaging in a lot of disobedience of Allah Ta'ala, starts going to the casinos, discos, or starts womanizing, or watches all the haram that is coming on our television stations and the other programs which are immoral. In the same way the person starts watching the porn sites, or listening to music, or foregoing his salat, not giving his zakat, not performing the hajj. Now whatever sins the person is now engaging. So if it is now an azab and a punishment of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala because of that, then you do not blame the Istikharah for that.